Hey, what is up guys? Ibrahim's Tech here. So as all of you know, this is my first video of this channel. So please go and subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A20. So here is the device. So I've got the red color, but there are two other colors available, black and blue. So you get a 15-watt fast charger in the box, which is pretty good, and you get a USB-C to USB-A cable. Thanks for watching.